What we're now going to write is the subject line for the email. So for example, we're going to click on Add Subject. Now, this is going to be something that your readers are going to see. So we're going to write in a subject that we know they're going to want to hear. You can then write in preview text that will appear in the inbox after the subject line. Once you've done that, you'll then click Save. You'll then be ready to design the content of your actual message. We can then click Design Email. Now you'll have a number of choices available to you, which you can brand or even leave unbranded and use the templates given to you by Mailchimp. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use a plain sample text. Now what you can do is you'll notice here is that when we hover over these areas, that Mailchimp has placed blocks within our email canvas. We can delete all of the blocks that are currently there. And what we can now do is we can add in blocks that we want to be there. So for example, we can add in a specific block. Once we've added it, we can then write in our content. You can then use your editor to style the content. And once you've done that, you can then click Close. You will then have added content to your message. You can then preview your content. And you'll see how it's going to look on desktop, on mobile, and then in your inbox. What you're going to do then is close out of preview mode. You'll be back in editing mode. And basically what you can do is you can add in blocks for what you want to place in the email. So for example, you may want to place a video inside of your email. You can place a block here. And what you can then do on the right-hand margin is to customize your block. If you don't want the block in, you can delete it. If you want to add in something that is a product recommendation, you can add it in. If you don't want the block in, you can delete the block. So basically, what Mailchimp gives you the opportunity to do is to create a message from scratch and then to add other elements into your email according to what you want to place inside of the message. If you want to add in images, you can add them in. Or if you want to add in an image along with text. Once you've added in the blocks that you want, you can also style your email. You can style it with a specific header, a specific footer, or any mobile style. You can switch templates if that is what you prefer. So basically you have full customization over the elements inside of your email. Once you have completed your customization, you can then click Continue. Now there is some final processing that we're going to be doing with this campaign email. So what we're going to do is stop the video here and we're going to pick it up from those post-processing elements. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.